Hello student, myself GUDDU sir and I welcome to you in this YouTube channel, and today we will discuss about these questions, clear? And this is very important question for examination if we talk about here. So let us to know how we can solve it. So if you want to solve it, it means you will have to write here first solution. After that what you will do, you will write left hand side. And what is left hand side here? Left hand side is tan 20, tan 40 and tan 80, clear? This is what left hand side. And after this what you will do here, you will convert it into sine and cos. Then what happen here, as you know that one formula. What's one formula do you know here? Okay, tan theta. Okay, this is a tan theta is equal to, as you know that this is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, it means here what you can do here, you can write it sine 20 upon cos 20 according to this formula we talk about here. So this will be also what, sine 40 degree upon cos 40 degree, and ditto will be here what you can write it sine 80 degree upon cos 80 degree. I think there is no problem to understand it. Okay, and after it what you will do here, you can multiply and divide in numerator and denominator. When you will multiply numerator and denominator by 2, so this become to just like that here, 2 sine 20 into sine 40, clear? And here is what, sine 80, and upon what you will write, same ditto cos 20 and cos 40 if we talk about here, and here will be cos 80 degree, clear? And after that what you will do here, as you know that one formula, if you want to solve it then you will have to complete it. One formula is that here, one formula is, first is, as you know that cos A plus B, cos A plus B. So what is the formula of cos A plus B? As you know that here, it is equal to cos A cos B and minus sine A into sine B, clear? You will write just like that here. And if we talk about cos A minus B, then what you will do, as you know that here, cos A sine cos B, and here you will apply plus. If there is minus, then what you will do here, you will apply here plus. Okay, after that sine A into sine B, just like that you will write. And after that when you will add it, so these will be cancelled out, clear? So what left here, cos A cos B cos A cos B, these are same to each other. It means you will add it. When you will add, this become to cos A cos B, 2 cos A into cos B. And if we talk about here, so same ditto work you will do here, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, just like that you will write here, clear? And when you will subtract it, so what happen here, when you will subtract, this is one formula, clear? Formula number 1. And if we talk about here, when you will subtract it, so what you will do here, you will write here subtraction, and in place of sign you are to write negative sign, and there is plus hidden, it means you will change it into negative sign. So what happen here, this and this will be cancelled out because these are same but in opposite sign. That's why cos A cos B and here is also cos A cos B, these will be cancelled out to each other. And what left here, minus sine A sine B. And if we talk about here, so here is also minus sine A sine B. When you will add, this become to minus 2 sine A and sine B, clear? And here will be what, okay, here will be what, here also you will change negatives, plus 2 negative sign. So this will be cos A plus B, and here will be cos A minus B, clear? In this way you will write here. And after it what you will do, you can transfer this negative sign here, it means in left hand side. When you will transfer it in left hand side, so negative value will be positive and positive value change into negative value, just like that here, clear? And what is here, 2 sine A into sine B, clear? Any problem? I think you have not problem to understanding it, and you can solve yourself if you get the chance. So it means in place of this there is what 2 sine A into sine B, just like that. Here in place of A is 20 and in place of B is 40. Clear? So what formula you will apply here? This formula, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This formula you will apply here. When you will apply this formula, this will come to cos A minus B. A minus B, in place of A you are to put 20, minus in place of B you are to put 40 degree. And there is minus, so you will write here minus, and after it what here? Cos A plus B. A plus B means 20 plus 40. Clear? And I think there is no problem to understand it. And here is what? Cos sine 80 degree. And if we talk about here, so here what you will write? You can write cos to cos A into cos B. This formula you will apply here. When you will apply this formula, then what you will do? You will write cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. What you will write here? Cos A plus B and plus cos A minus B. And as you know that in place of A, what is here? 20, and in place of B, what you will write? In place of B, 40 degree. So what will be here? Cos A plus B. A plus B means 20 plus 40, because in place of A, what is here? 20, and in place of B, what is here? 40 degree. Clear? And there is plus 20 minus 40. After that you will close the bracket, and what is here? Cos 80 degree. So you will write cos 80 degree. Clear? And now when you will subtract it, this will come to minus 20 degree, and here will be cos 60 degree. And you will write same to ditto, means sine 80, and if we talk about here, so sine 60 plus cos minus 20. I think there is no problem to understand it. And if we talk about here, so what you will do? As you know that formula, what formula? Cos minus theta is equal to the cos theta. So there is no effect this negative sign to the cos. So what you will do? You can write just like that here. What? Cos minus 20 is equal to cos 20 plus 20. And here what is? Cos 60. And if we talk about here, so what you will write here? Sine 80 degree. And there is cos 60 degree. And here what you will do? You can write cos 20 degree. Clear? And there is cos 80. So everything are as usual, there is no problem, and you can write. Whenever you will get this type of question, then same procedure you will apply. Okay, everywhere. Okay, if you get just like questions. So now what you will do? You will multiply it. Means first what you will do? You will multiply sine 80 to cos 20 degree. Okay, after that what you will do? You will multiply sine 80 to cos 60. So when you will multiply it, so this will come to sine 80 into sine cos 20. What you will write here? Cos 20 degree. And after what you will apply here? Negative sign. So negative sign you will write here. Okay, and after that what you can write? Cos 60 degree into sine 80 degree. You can write here. And there is what in denominator? There are what in denominator? This is 80 degree. Clear? Same procedure, okay, you will do here. When you will break the bracket, then what will be here? Okay, here will be multiplication. Clear? With what? Cos 82 first you will multiply by cos 60. After that cos 82 cos 20. So in this way this will come to cos 80 into sin cos 60. Clear? This way you will write. After there is plus, so you will write also plus. And after that what you will do here? You will multiply by cos 20 to cos 80. So when you will multiply cos 20 to 80, this will come to just like that here, cos 80. And one thing is very important here. What is very important here? As you know that, what is? You will write sin 80, cos 20. And if we talk about here, we know that the value of cos 60. In place of cos 60, what you can do? You can put the value of this. And this is equal to the 1 upon 2. So in place of this, you will write 1 upon 2. And there is sin 80. So as usual, you will do here. Clear? And here will be cos 80 into in place of this what you will write 1 upon 2, as you know that about it. So here will be same ditto, clear? Cos 20 and cos 80, clear? And after it what you will do, you can do cross multiplication here. So what happen here, 2 sin 80, here you will write up into cos 20, you will write this, clear? And here what will be cos 80 degree, sin 80 degree, what you will write here, sin 80 degree, and total upon 2. And if we talk about in denominator, so same procedure you will do here. What is here, cos 80 degree, when you will do cross multiplication, this become to 2 cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree upon 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, so what's left here, 2 sin 80 degree and cos 20 degree minus sin 80 degree. Just like that you will write here, there is no problem to understand, clear? And whenever, okay, you will get this type of question, you have to do same procedure, clear? Cos 20, cos 80 degree. And as you know that here, so as you know that formula, one formula is 2 sin A into cos B, sin A plus B in one bracket plus sin A minus B in one bracket. You will apply this formula. So 2, what you will write in the place of this is A and this is B. It means in sin, what you will write, 80 plus 20, clear? Plus sin 80 minus 20 and minus sin 80. And if we talk about here, so what you will do, same procedure, what you will do, cos 80, and in place of this, as you know that formula you will apply here. So here you will write, what you will write, cos A plus B, 20 plus 80, and plus cos A minus B, 20 minus 80. This formula you will apply here, okay? So in this way this become 2, just like that here, 180 to 100. If we talk about here, so what happened here, sin 60, and here will be what, minus sin 80, clear? You will write just like that here. And one thing is very important here, sin 80, okay? And what is here, cos 80 plus cos 100 plus cos minus 60, clear? And as you know that this is very important and easy question for you. And if you want, so you can change it like that. You can write 100. What you can change it, 180 minus 80. When you will subtract 80 from 180, as you know that it is equal to the also 100. So in place of 100 you can write 180 minus 80. And if we talk about here, so what you will write here, 1 sin 60 degree minus sin 80 degree. You will write just like that here. And if we talk about here, cos 80 plus, in place of this what you can do, you can same procedure you will write here, 180 minus 100. When you will write this 180 minus 80, clear? When you will write this in place of this 100, so this 100 you can write in this way, means 180 minus 80. As you know that here, when you will subtract 80 from 180, so what you will get? You will get 100. Cos minus 60, this will be cos 60. As you know that there is no thing. What you will write here? Sin 100, sin 80, 180 minus theta. In 180 minus theta, this will be positive. So here you will write sin 80 and sin 60, and after that what you will write, minus sin 80, clear? And if we talk about here, what you will do, cos 80, and there will be what, sin and cosec will be positive in 180 minus theta. It means cos 180 minus theta will be negative. So what you will write, cos minus 80 plus cos 60, and this will be cancelled out. And if we talk about here, so cos 80 and minus cos 80 will be cancelled out. So what left here, sin 60 upon sin cos 60, and we know that sin upon cos, this is equal to the tan 60, and tan 60 will be your right hand side. So in this way you can solve if you get this type of questions. And this type of question will be very important question if we talk about for examination. So you all, once you will do practice and when you will not do practice, then you can't able to solve any question. You are doing practice properly, so there is no problem to understand it, and you are able to solve these questions. And before it, you will have to learn all formulas. Okay, when you will learn all formulas, then there is no need to take any worry. Okay, because of this formula you can solve this. If you are getting it, there is no problem to understand it. So please subscribe my channel, and tomorrow I will meet you again. Thank you.